Hi, I'm Jim Chaconis. I'm here at the WPPI convention at the MGM Grand. We're here at the Fiilex booth. I'm the North American sales manager for Fiilex Lighting, and we make a unique LED product in the industry. It's a continuous lighting product, but it's color tunable from tungsten to daylight. This is our latest pair of soft, and this is our new softbox in conjunction with our Q500. This light is a 750 watt equivalent output of a tungsten Fresnel. It's capable of being tuned from 2800 kelvins to 6500 kelvins. Additionally, it's got hue control, quarter stop magenta, quarter stop green. But we're really proud about this new softbox. It's got an internal diffuser and an external front face, so you can really get a nice soft wrap, or you can pull those out as we have here and get a little bit more specular hard light. Let me take it in another direction and show you our smallest light, the P100. We call this the brick or the Go light. It's available in a Go 2 kit, 2-light configuration, or a Go 4 kit, 4-light configuration. What's great about this light is it has an integrated battery that'll run the unit for 2 hours and 20 minutes at full power. You can also run the unit AC or off a D-tap cable. This light, like all of our lights, is continuous color tunable, so I can go from daylight 5600 Kelvin to tungsten 3000 Kelvin in a single fixture with no loss of output. Also, you notice that our lights create a single hard-edge cinematic photographic shadow. That's because we use something unique in the industry called dense matrix technology. It's our own technology. We actually manufacture the LED chip ourselves. We put a single lens over it, and that's how we create that single hard-edge photographic cinematic shadow. Of course, you can then put light shapers and modifiers on it. For instance, with this light, I can go from a harsh or highlight. I can add the diffusion dome, and then I've got a soft eye light built right in. And this is our P180 unit. This unit's about a 250 watt equivalent output. Like all of our P-series lights, it's AC-DC. So with a D-tap cable, you can run it off of a battery. It's only a 40 watt draw. And then it comes with an AC adapter that's 110, 240. You can use it anywhere in the world. Additionally, like all of our lights, it's dimmable and flicker free at all frame rates, and color tunable with no loss of output from 5600 kelvins to 3000 kelvins. And you remember the diffusion dome from the P100 we showed you. I can just take that and throw it on there and soften it up. So I can use this as an on-camera light on a broadcast camera, or as a small portrait light with no need to set up a softbox. The barn doors help me control the light. I can actually kill the spill with these. And then this is our P360. This light is AC-DC as well. It's a 90 watt draw, and it'll run for an hour at full power on a 90 watt broadcast battery. Color tunable, so I can go from 3000 to 5600 kelvins, just like all the other lights. Let me go ahead and turn it up so you can get a sense of how bright that is. It takes the same modifiers and light shapers. You can put that diffusion dome on there. We make a mini Fresnel for it, which is a 2-inch magnetically attached Fresnel. That increases the output by 3 times in the center, and it reduces the beam angle from 60 to 30 degrees. We can take it down to 15 degrees with a little extender, and these lights are actually compatible with Pro Photo accessories as well. So with the P360 EX, I simply take the barn doors off, and then I can slide a Pro Photo Magnum reflector or 7-inch reflector on there, and in conjunction with the magnetically attached dome diffuser, it looks just like a beauty dish. Fantastic. All of our lights are available a la carte or in production kit cases, so it's a little rolling case. It's 3 lights or 4 lights or even 6 lights. Weighs less than 40 pounds. Includes light stands, power supplies, barn doors, and a soft box. And it comes in a little rolling Seahorse 920 case. Now let me show you another great light. This is the Fiilex Q5AC. This is a 750 watt equivalent output to a tungsten Fresnel. But unlike a tungsten Fresnel, it's that LED technology with that dense matrix. We're using 108 chips in a quarter-size array to put out a 750 watt equivalent light. This light can be color tuned from 6500 kelvins all the way down to 2800 kelvins. You can set it anywhere you like. Additionally, it's got a hue control feature where I can dial in a quarter stop magenta or a quarter stop green right on the fixture. That way I can correct for any chip bias that I might have on whatever camera I'm using. It has a 5-inch focusing Fresnel, so I can spot it out or flood it. Let me show you the front.
Oh, that was it.
4-leaf barn doors and a 5-inch Fresnel. But you can take those off and even put on that same diffusion dome that works on the entire product line. So if you need to push a lot of light into a small space and don't have room for a softbox, the diffusion dome translates across the entire product line. We're really proud of this unit. It's also DMX controllable, and we'll be coming out with more light shaping modifiers and accessories for it in the future. So now I'd like to show you one of our production kit cases. All of our heads are available in these rolling production kit cases, and you can get them with 3, 4, or even 6 lights. They include the lights themselves, barn doors, there's room for light stands in the back, and in the top pouch we actually include a softbox, pop-up softbox, and a speed ring. Of course, the power supplies are stowed in here as well. This is our 412 kit, which includes 2 of the P360EXs and 2 of the P180Es, but you can get it in a 3-light P360 configuration or various other ones. The case snaps closed for transport. It comes in a Seahorse rolling SC920. It's got locking latches on the front. Pop it up, and it's got a pull-out handle. Fully loaded, it weighs less than 40 pounds, which makes it easy to travel with. There's never any overage charge when you fly on an airline, and because it's LED, it's solid state technology with no heat. So when you're done shooting, you break it down, you throw it in the case, and you don't have to worry about melting the foam. You never have to take a light bulb out because there's nothing to break. Check it on the airline, get off, go to your job, turn it on, and do what you have to do. It's the Fiilex production kit. Thanks a lot for stopping by our booth at WPPI 2015, the MGM Grand. I'm Jim with Fiilex Lighting.